So roses are a lot easier than you think, and they actually look really beautiful. So they look quite advanced. So once you've got your little circle drawn and your embroidery thread ready to go, we're just going to sew up through the center of your circle. So I'm going to make a little pink one here as well. And we're going to divide our circle into 3 or 5, so kind of like a pizza. So we're going to do this 3 on this one. So then we sew to the outside. Then we're going to come up through the middle again. So over here this time, so it starts looking like a little clock or a pizza. And then one more time up through the middle. And then over to this side. Okay, so once you've divided your little circle into 3 or 5, we then want to come up through the middle again, or just near the middle. And this is where we start creating the rose. Now the idea of the rose is to always skip the next loop. But first of all, we're going to go under this loop here. So just go under one of the loops like this. And don't pull too tightly, keeping a little bit loose. We're then going to skip the next loop and just holding your thread down, we're going to go under the next loop. Okay, and like I said, we always skip the next loop, so we're going to skip this top one and go under this loop now for the first time. And we just keep working that all the way around. So the more you do, the more you want to just tuck your thread under your rose. So then we skip the next one here and go under the top one this time. And then skip the next one here. Bring this round and go under the next one. Just keep doing that all the way around and your rose will slowly grow. And we're just going to make sure that tucks under. Skip the next one. Under the next one. Skip the next one. Under the next one. And after a while you can't see the thread, so you'll just have to feel your way around until, skip the next one, under the next one. So skip this one, under this one, until it fills the whole circle that you've drawn. Skip this one here. I can just about still see this one. There we go. We have our little rose. Skip the next one. Under the next one, which I can't really see anymore, so I'm going to have to feel my way. And I think we're pretty much finished. Again, just tucking that underneath. And then we're just going to sew down underneath. And there we go. We have a beautiful little embroidered rose. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I hope you managed to follow along and make some beautiful embroidered roses. And try them. Why not try them in different colours as well? You can make white ones, yellow ones, and create a beautiful design. So join me in my next video where we'll be continuing our little floral design here, and who knows what will come next. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you soon for some more embroidery crafting fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.